Welcome of my world year in 2026. So guys, welcome here in 2026. In year 2026 guys, there are three the important of things in our area in our life. First guys, there are three things preparation of important guys. Una guys, number one, preparation of our spiritual life. And the true future guys in our life guys is the kingdom of heaven. That is the true future guys nga makaadto ta dito sa gingharian sa langit. Kaya din sa kalibutan guys, that is the temporary guys. That is the other words is vendors. Kung naninda man kaniya sa sidewalk, mao na siya guys. Kumbaga transcend. We are all transcend here in this world. Other words, we are the prisoner. No one can escape the death guys. Muna siya guys in spiritually. So number one guys, preparation of our spiritual life. Whether you like or not guys, mamatay ta guys. Ya kung wakay preparation sa imong kamatayon guys, asa tapad to guys, maadto ta sa imperno guys. Muna guys, kung dili ta gusto matag imperno guys, kailangan i-prepare na to ang ato ang sarili diha sa mga butang nga espirituhanon. Sa usang pamagi guys, read the Bible spiritually. Like me guys, I have a whole chapter verse, Psalm 23:1. That is memory verse guys. That is my memory verse. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He make to lay down on green pastures. He lead me beside quiet water. He restore my soul. He guide me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Even though I walk to the valley of the shadow of death, I will follow ever, for thou art with me. Thy root, thy staff, they comfort me. He anoint my head with oil, my cup overflows. Surely goodness and love follow me all the days of my life. I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. That is the kingdom of heaven. So kana guys, mao nang akong preparation guys.